Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert.
People are talking about how Korea cheated or that's rigged in favor of
Yeah.
Korea. I find kind of not just stupid, but it's also like demeaning to the athletes who competed so
Correct.
well. Like, they tried so hard. Maybe their quote-unquote unfair advantage is that they already were exposed because 4 of them nag-physical 100 na nga, season 1 and 2. Pero that doesn't remove the fact na magaling sila eh. Wala
That they
na
still
sila.
competed.
Exactly. Oo.
Correct.
Honestly, na-disappoint nga ako na sila yung nanalo, pero parang alam mo, deserve.
Plus, they had the drive. Like, they had fire in their
Exactly.
eyes. I think they did everything naman. And they won.
I
Fair
agree.
and square.
Yung sabi nga nila na, yes, South Korea won Physical Asia, pero the Mongolian team won all the people's hearts. 1, 2, sarang! Hey!
Annyeong, this is Pia.
Hi, this is Monica.
What's up, everyone? This is Trency, and welcome to another episode of 1, 2, sarang!
Hello, welcome.
Welcome! Okay, meron akong tanong para sa inyo, Pia and Monica, and for our Sarang base out there who are listening today. On a scale of 1 to 10, how fit are you? And why not? Walang assumption doon.
Wala eh.
I
Hindi kami na-judge.
think I am an outfit. I'm out. Ang question? Wala eh. Hindi yun personality ko eh.
Mental fitness naman mataas ang ano mo. Oo.
Kaya ko lumaban
Kaya.
sa mga
Kaya mo
ganyang
lumaban, oo.
klaseng contest. Mga Jeopardy, gano'n.
Ganon. Oo. Correct. Doon tayo sa mental prowess. Doon.
Oo.
Yes. Oo.
Yes.
Ikaw, Pia.
To be fair, I do consider myself pretty fit. I do exercise regularly. Pero nakakatawa lang kasi may isang beses parang yung anak ko kinailangan niyang mag-planks for class. So
Wow.
parang sabay kaming first time niya ever mag-planks. Tas parang naloka yung lola mo. She's 16 years old. Sabi niya, paano kinakaya na Le Seraphim yung 5 minutes? Parang, 5 minutes? 10 seconds lang ang planks. Anong 5 minutes? Planks ng 5 minutes.
My God.
Aloha, Eugene.
nga. Pero hindi pala, kasi
Si
hindi
Kazuo.
naabutan. Hindi kasi niya naabutan yung era na nauso yung planking.
Correct.
Diba?
Diba?
Mm-mm.
Nag-tricks pa ako noon. Kaya ko mag-plank sa ball. In fair, pero 10 seconds.
10 seconds only. So, saktong pag ganun mo, baba na kaagad.
Oh,
Ganon.
tapos na. Parang hinga ng konti.
Tighten the
tas
core
done.
lang. Oo. Ako naman, I guess, I am Fita. I'm like a cracker. You know?
Akala ko yung boyfriend ni Katniss Everdeen.
Si Fita Melark.
With an F.
Na baker?
Kasi Pinoy siya. Pinoy kasi siya. O,
Carbs?
baker din siya. Every morning. Dito sa may Pande, Manila. Nandyan siya.
Correct.
Okay. Much like Fita Melark, I guess, who is also a contestant in a very physical game. Called Hunger
Patayan
Games.
yun.
Oo,
Squid
yun
Game ang
talaga.
datingan.
Oo, yun
Fight to
talaga.
the death yun. Oh.
Yun talagang to the death. Pag sinasabi nila dito sa show na to na parang I will, hold on to this until I die. Parang, guys, you're not Pita Melark. You don't know how that feels. So, ang pag-uusapan namin for this episode is, of course, everyone's favorite show right now on Netflix, Physical Asia. Ayan. Physical.
Yeah.
Asia.
Nga isang malaking pagpo-post nga dito, one to Sarang. Post. Yes. Yan. Muscles. Hinulma ng pag-K-pop.
K-pop
Okay.
legs yan. Pag nakatayo sa concert.
Correct. Oh, I
Ay,
think on
kaya
that,
ko yun.
Oo. I feel like on that end, sobrang fit tayo. So, yun na nga. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is Physical Asia. So, very, very exciting to talk about this kasi it's everyone's talking about it dahil just recently kaka-end lang din ng show na to. So we already know who won. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng show na to or hindi pa natatapos, there will be a lot of spoilers. So if you haven't seen it yet, skip nyo muna. Siguro balikan nyo kami later. But if you're interested to know what we think about the show, para mapanood nyo rin or dahil napanood nyo na, come, stay with us and let's get physical. Yes. Okay. So for this episode... Physical. So, for this episode, I will be asking the girls and of course you also, Sarang Base, just a few questions. So, ang una nating tanong is, what 3 words best describe your overall feeling for the show and why? So, we want to know about yung mga initial thoughts din namin, yung mga feelings namin about the show after we've seen it. Second question is, what are our top 3 show highlights. So anything from the contestants to the production of the show, everything that we feel are highlights of the show talaga. And of course, dahil may participation ang Pilipinas dito, I want to ask the girls, as a Filipino, how did you feel seeing our athletes compete in this show? Yes. And lastly, this is their first offshoot of Physical 100. And of course, successful siya. So, definitely talaga, no? Definitely, pero baka. Definitely, magkakaroon ng next season to, di ba? So, I wanna ask the girls, and also you, Sarang Base, what do you guys hope to see in the next season of Physical Asia? So, ayan. Okay, before we get into this conversation, of course, we're gonna lay down some facts first. Fun facts. I'm sure a lot of people already know this, pero sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, pagdaanan natin ng mabilis lamang. It's Physical Asia, and as I've said, it's an offshoot of the very, very successful Physical 100, which already has like iterations also in many parts of the world. I think in the US, meron din siya. It's a competition between different countries in the Asian region plus Australia.
Diba?
Asia Pacific.
Irita.
Asia Pacific. Dapat pala
Nakakainis
Physical
pa
Asia
rin.
Pacific siya.
Diba? Doon nga
There's
eh.
this sorry, meron parang
Go.
TikToker na nagsabi na, ang Australia, kung trip nila kasama sila sa Asia, kasama sila. Pero kapag may Europe, kasama din sila. Kung saan nila gusto,
Diba?
pwede. Ganon.
Oo
correct.
nga. Totoo.
Kasi British
Masyado.
Commonwealth din sila.
Diba?
Correct.
Okay, fine.
Feeling ko,
Daming options.
Feeling ko pinapayagan na lang sila kasi they have the most dangerous animals in the world.
Oo.
So,
Tama.
parang ano na lang,
Go.
oo, parang
Go.
ano na lang, go na lang for them. Yon. Okay. So, in this show, meron po silang malaking cash prize. So, it's 1 billion won, or in USD, it's $703,000 US. And in pesos, it's 40.1 million pesos. So this show is actually created by Jang Hogi, and I saw this interview of his na parang it kind of highlights why he decided to do this kind of offshoot na included yung mga iba-ibang Asian countries. So he said in an interview na there are prejudices and biases that Asian people are smaller. But he wanted to show everyone out there that Asian people can be very strong and they have their own very strong traditional sports games. So parang yun yung gusto niyang i-highlight dito. And I think na-highlight naman din talaga siya in many, many ways. Plus,
Not the
Australia.
traditional sports games though. But walang sipa. Walang arnis.
Sipak ka. Oo nga, yun lang. Nagkulang siya doon. Hindi, saktong ano lang, pa-showcase lang. Ganun. To start. Okay, so we have 8 countries participating and 48 contestants. So each country will have 6 contestants. And if may mag-drop out na isa because of injury or national obligations, may papalit. Oo, so yun.
Correct.
So, alright. So, I want to go through all the names of the contestants. Kumbaga, pagbibigay-pugay na rin to sa kanila bilang they did such a great job and they brought honor to their own countries. So, yun. Alright. So, let's start with South Korea. We have Kim Do-yoon. Kim Dong-yoon. Dong-yoon.
Hindi siya
Kailan
si
natin siya?
Lihan?
Hindi siya si
Boy Next
Lihan.
Door?
Correct, oo. Lihan ka never.
Pat yun. Yes.
Sa true.
Sa true. Okay, so siyang
Isang sandbag
captain.
lang siya. Talo na siya.
Baka siya pag binuhat siya, tapos siya yung ibabag toss.
Correct.
Kayang-kaya siya.
Pampabigat ng konti. Ganon.
Correct, ganun. Oo. So si Kim Dong-yoon, he's a very familiar figure. He's a variety show regular and he's the captain of his group. And ang ating mga following athletes are Amoti or Kim Jae-hong, who has already won Physical 100 Season 2. We have Choi Sung-yeon, female CrossFit athlete. We have Jang Un-sil. She is a former member of the South Korean national wrestling team. She also competed in Physical 100 Season 1. We have Kim Min-jae, Shirum wrestler, who has won many medals for his sport. Yoon Sung Bin, a skeleton racer and an Olympian as well.
Ex ni
And
Gio.
also, ex ni Gio. Important fact po yun. Oo. So, sa Team Korea, maraming ang nag-physical 100 na. Team Japan, Korea's number one nemesis. Alright. So, we have Yushin Okami. He is the captain, a renowned MMA fighter. We have Kana Watanabe, another MMA fighter. She has won 13 wins in the flyweight division. We have Katsumi Nakamura. Alam niyo naman, nagbago yung tono ng boses ko. Bakit? Siya isang napakapoging Olympic swimmer. Oo. Also an Olympian. We have Nonoka Ozaki, an Olympic wrestler. She won bronze at the Paris 2024 Olympics. We have
Japanese
Suichi.
Roxanne Ginoo.
Yes! Oh my God! I've been thinking about this. Like, why does this girl look so familiar? Yes!
yes.
The Japanese
Co-parent ko siya sa
Roxanne
school ng anak ko.
Ginoo.
Hello po.
Ay! Si Nonoka? Check out.
Oo, siya mismo.
Sa
Sa Japanese mo.
And then we have Soichi Hashimoto. He is also an Olympic medalist for the national judo team of Japan and the captain of Japan's national judo team. And lastly, we have Yoshio Itoi. He was a baseball player, 9-time All-Star in the Nippon Professional Basketball League, and also DK's father. Joke lang.
Tinanggap ko
Kumuha
yun,
lang niya. Shit, in denial pa ako kanina.
DK's
Fuck, kasing edad ko lang
feature.
siya. Oo, DK's feature. Tanned and a baseball player.
Playing baseball.
And my husband. Jaga! From Thailand. Ito na mga tongue twister names. Kaya ko to. Okay, we have Super Bon, the captain of the team. He is Supachai Muensang. He is a legendary Muay Thai fighter. Actually, sabi nila, he is probably the third most well-known person in this group. As in, ganun siya kasikat.
Yeah.
Because he's currently the one featherweight kickboxing world champion. Ganun siya kalaki. And then we have Anucha Yospanya. She is a Thai wrestler, silver in the SEA Games. And her favorite, James Rusamike Fagerlund. Dami. Sobrang hirap po
Basta
ng mga
si
names. I'm so
James.
sorry.
Who's
Si
Pinay?
James.
Si James.
Oo. Si James na meron ng advertisement deal with Shopee with Mark
Love
Mugen.
it.
I love
Diba?
it.
Oo.
Wow.
James is, wow. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, so si James ay isang pro volleyball player, former pro volleyball player, and he is now an actor and TV personality, but still also very physical. And we have Jar Uracha Tirawanistan, a CrossFit athlete, and currently ranked first in Thailand's CrossFit ranking from 2017 to 2023. We have Ploy Nuanare Olsen, a Muay Thai coach and pro bodybuilder. And lastly, we have Sunny Kerdkao Wichokitikorn. He is a national team rugby player. And we get to Mongolia. Ito naman, another tongue twister set of names. Kaya natin to, Trency. Very lovable. Lovable siya actually. Orkon Bayar Shaikan. He is a champion Bok wrestler. Bok is the traditional Mongolian wrestling. And he has won the President's Cup in 2022. We have Adia Suren Amar Saikan, an Olympic judoka for Paris 2024. We have Dulgun Enkbat. He is a pro basketball player and part of Mongolia's 3x3 national team. He has won FIBA World Cup in 2017-2023. And we have, actually my favorite, Enk or Gil Batarku.
Oh my God, he's my bias too.
Oh my God, we have the same bias. I love it. He's a featherweight MMA fighter with 13 wins under his belt. And we have Kandershen Gantogtok. Kandershen Gantogtok, a pro volleyball player for the national team, but she currently plays for Japan. And lastly, we have Lakgava Okhir Erdene Ochir, who is an acrobat circus artist with Cirque du Soleil and the founder of Acro Mongolia and also the Mongolian Epikizon.
Correct.
Yes.
Nung tinanggal na niya yung eyeliner niya, parang...
Correct. Ay,
Nakita ko na to sa Bayaniverse. Ganon.
correct ka dyan. Okay, we get to Indonesia. We have Iged's executioner. Real name is Igede Dharma Susila, heavyweight bodybuilding champion. And we have Fina Filipi, a Brazilian jiu-jitsu champion and a TV personality. And also part Filipino. Love it. Okay.
She's also, Indonesian Geo.
Indonesia. Okay.
Oo
So
nga.
pretty.
Alright. She's so pretty, actually. And then we have Glenn Victor, the Olympic swimmer for 2016 Rio Olympics and also Mr. International Indonesia. We have Jeremiah Lakwani, a hybrid athlete and wrestler. We have Marcus Gideon, former badminton player. Unfortunately, this athlete, he had to opt out after the first quest because he got injured. But he was eventually replaced by Isai Kesek, who is also a bodybuilder. And lastly, we have Maria Selena, a former pro basketball player and Indonesian actress. And also former Miss Universe 2012 for Indonesia. And
Kapag hybrid athlete ba, parang minsan sa bahay lang, tapos minsan on-site?
Hindi. Pag hybrid ka, minsan minsan electric, minsan gas.
Shit, wala akong maitapon. Hybrid, minsan halaman, minsan, hindi, wag na lang, out, next na. Sabi nyo na eh.
Kaya natin.
Hybrid. Shit.
Hybrid plants or mga hybrid animals. I don't know. Tapakin mo lang ako, Mon, pag ready ka na. Marami pa to. Marami pa to. May time ka pa.
Okay.
Okay, we have Turkey. And then for the captain, we have Recep Kara. He is a four-time champion of Kirk Pinar Oil Wrestling. And we have Ali Sofuglu. He is a national team karate fighter and bronze medalist for Tokyo Olympics. Anil Berkbaki. He is a sailor and TV personality who does CrossFit and extreme sports. We have Nefis Karate, national champion runner. We have Ogedai Gershiken, a rower and actor. And we have Yasmin Adar Yigit, a national team wrestler. And fun fact, a lot of these athletes from Turkey, they actually also joined Survivor Turkey. So weird.
Oh.
Parang, I guess Survivor
All
Turkey
of them?
is a thing. Not all of them, mga 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them. And we get to Australia. Kung bakit sila nandito, hindi natin alam. Pero nandito sila. Tatanggapin natin yon. We have Robert Whittaker, our captain. He is also a famous MMA fighter and the first Australian to win the UFC. Alexandra Milne, fitness coach, influencer, and also half Filipina.
Half Filipina, yes.
We have Dom Tomato, real name
Yes.
Dominic Di Tomaso.
Also my
a
bias.
parkour. Also your bias. He's a
He's so
parkour
nice.
and free running athlete. But fun fact, he also started in figure skating and ballet.
Oh my
And
God.
we have-
Pwede siyang
Diba?
mag-makeup
Makes
idol. Someone
Correct.
is
And
shaking.
Hypen. Correct. And then we have everyone's favorite. Oh my God, Big Bear, Eddie Williams.
Yes.
He is the 2-time winner of Australian Strongest Man. We have Eloni Vunakesi, former national rugby player. And we have lastly
Na
Caitlin
lumalakas
Van.
pag tinatanggal ang shirt.
Correct.
Correct.
Totoo. Saan
Secret
applicable?
sauce niya.
Applicable ba sa
Topless.
atin? Hindi ko alam.
Okay lang ako hindi mag-topless. Okay.
And lastly, we have Caitlin Van Zyl. She is a former pro hockey player and a CrossFit and High Rocks athlete. Ayan. And we get
She's
to the
also mom.
Philippines. Lastly, the Philippines. We have, of course, Manny Pacquiao, the team captain. No introductions needed. Boxing
Correct.
legend. Period. And then we have Justin Coveney. Pacquiao eventually had to leave nga din because of national obligations, aka elections. So si Justin ang nag-take over ng leadership ng ating team. So he is a national rugby player and he has won 2 golds for the SEA Games and also a lawyer in Australia. Ayan.
Ooh.
Yeah. And then we have Lara Liwanag. She's a CrossFit. She is a CrossFit athlete and ranked as the top female CrossFit athlete in the Philippines. We have Mark Mugen, who is an MMA fighter and a gold medalist in Sambo. We have Ray Kerubin, the former strongest man of the Philippines in 2016 to 2019. And we have Robin Brown, national team hurdler, who has won 6 career medals for the Philippines. And lastly, we have Justin Hernandez, who took over Pacquiao's role as the 6th member, who is a CrossFit athlete and the first Filipino to represent the Philippines at the CrossFit Games. So, I want to ask you girls again, and of course, our Sarang Base, what are the 3 words that best describe your overall feeling for the show and why?
My first word is beautiful. Oh my God, ang ganda-ganda ng set. Sisimulan ko na doon kasi parang, oh my God, naglalaway lang ako. Yung first quest, the territory game, like the lighting, the mound, it's so simple but perfect. It's just, like, I feel like kung may mag-offer sa akin na ganong klaseng project, aalis talaga ako ng retirement ko para makagawa ng ganon. Para siyang,
Yes.
para siyang sets. Naalala niyo ba yung mga maquette ni Badong Bernal?
Correct.
National
Oo.
artist for set design. Yung mga maquette niya sa CCP. Kasi back in the day, CCP would usually have like yung mga operas. Yung mga operas kasi parang epic yung mga sets nila eh. Parang ganun yung na-feel ko talaga. Lalo na with the first one. And then may simple lighting lang of the sun that they used again later on na naging moon naman for the village, like the mysterious village ba yun yung tawag nila dun sa team rep game. Like floored, like it got me so excited and pinagmamasdan ko talaga lahat ng materyales as much as I can, and obviously because it involves physical. Hindi daya yung mga kahoy. They're real lumber. Alam mo yon, like hindi siya yung para pinag-aging lang para magmukhang makapal na kahoy. And at the same time, I mean yung mga crates, 'di ba? Syempre tinatapon-tapon nila yun.
Correct.
Like,
Oo.
kailangan sturdy siya. Yung mga, as in, even the engineering, like, I was just glued to my screen trying to figure out how they figured things out. Like, and
Yes.
paano yung possible palitan. Kasi, syempre, ano naman to yung shoot naman ito, it happened like several days, right? But obviously, they'd have to recycle like the sound stage. Feeling ko siguro mga nakatatlo sila. And then like, yun nga, like, if soundstage A sila, nagsiset up sila sa B, and then may C, yung parang castle wall nila, where all the flags are. Like, they have that parang
yes,
home base
Yeah,
that they never touch. And then, like, just figuring out, ano kaya yung set change? Like, how do they make it, like, backlasable? How do they make it, like, easy to set up? Mga ganun ba? And
correct.
just the drama of it, like, they really thought of everything. Like, hindi siya yung open lights lang nandun na. Meron pang nahuhulog na na tela with the rings.
Correct.
And then yung bola na bigla na lang bumagsak sa pool.
Correct.
Yung nag-aagawan base.
Correct.
Agawan
Oo.
base. Yung agawan bola sila.
Yes.
Agawan
As in-
basketball.
Oo. Parang, damn, like, I was just so floored. First time ko kasi makapanood ng anything Physical Asia, Physical 100.
Physical 100 series,
So,
yeah.
yeah. Although, I did kind of like search on it. Like, ano pa rin naman, epic din naman yung mga sets nila in the first two. But this one is a little bit, insane. Like, probably because obviously it's called Physical Asia, they really like pushed the Asianness in it. Alam mo yon, like,
Correct.
my story and like, wala, as in sobrang,
Parang ano,
naglalaway
to be
ako.
fair,
Ang ganda-ganda. As in, sobrang galing
Nakakatuwa
talaga.
pa dun sa interview with the creator, talagang in-emphasize niya na parang we really wanted to, kahit na international cast nga to, parang we just wanted to showcase din the Korean culture in the set. So, kaya sobrang, yun nga, parang yung mysterious village nga, parang it's in a Korean province, no? Tapos may mga shaman, may ganun siyang feel.
Correct!
Oo, correct. Kasi diba, naglagay sila ng fake puno, tapos hindi lang siya any fake puno, meron pa siyang mga decorative Like,
Correct.
nakabitan ng mga tela doon. As in,
Correct.
Na very
magical.
shamanic.
Parang hindi ko in-expect na parang for something. I mean, I feel like we've seen, para siyang Takeshi's Castle, but
Takeshi's
better.
Oo, totoo naman.
We love ko yung mga Takeshi's Castle. I guess relating to that, beautiful, my second word is actually insane. Because I just kept on thinking, how are they gonna top this for the next season? And yes, kahit episode 1 pa lang, I knew that this was gonna be like a huge thing. So I knew that it's impossible that they won't proceed with the second season. So parang doon pa lang iniisip ko na kung paano pa nila itatop ito. Parang ganun.
Correct.
As in,
oo.
ganun ako. And then habang nagpo-progress yung episodes, parang this is insane. Like, well, ang intention dapat sana is they keep on getting better and better, right? But how are they gonna top this? Like it was like my same feelings for like nung when the first Squid Game came out and like nung in-announce yung second season, parang yung kaba ko na parang, hala, paano nila ito top yung season 1? Kasi diba, parang ang grand na niya. Like, how are they, and plus the success of it, like, how are they gonna like top that pa?
Correct.
Not so sure if they did, but check nyo na lang yung episode namin on Squid Game
Yes.
Part 2 and 3 to hear our thoughts on that.
For sure.
And then I think my third word is heartwarming.
Aww.
Because at the end of the day, I mean, obviously, as the show progressed, slowly na ako
Correct.
nagpa-follow ng mga athletes.
Yes.
And like, you can see how involved they are in their socials. Nagko-cross-post na
Correct.
sila and all that.
All the
Correct.
And I
promotions.
super duper duper loved like the behind the scenes things happening and like
Yes.
you know, at the end of the day, this is what sport is all about. It's about the athletes' respect that you give and get from each other. It's a support.
Correct.
Like, alam mo yon, even though you know, syempre, they're pumped and they're representing the country, and then like, when they do, ang dami nilang mga hirap na, no, we can take it. We're stronger than them, whatever. Syempre, pep talk na lang din nila yun sa sarili nila, diba? But at the end
Yeah.
of the day, like, extra love ko when, kunyari, may natalo or someone performed well, kahit hindi nila teammate, like, how supportive they are to each other. And they acknowledge talaga kung gaano, if kunyari someone did something fantastic, tas na wow talaga sila, they will really say it out and say na parang,
Very
whoa, you were a
supportive.
beast. Like, you did so
Yes.
well. Parang
Oo.
ganon. Like,
Correct.
I really, I don't know, I felt really fuzzy inside. Like, you know, parang that's so nice. I mean, to be like in a group na ganon, na to have an experience na ganon, to have the support of fellow athletes, that must be really nice.
Yeah.
So, yun yung word ko. Kaya heartwarming.
Oo. Agree.
Super
Super.
agree.
Oo. Siguro sasakyan ko na yung sinabi ni Monreal with my words. Kasi I want to start with, so my 3 words is emotional adrenaline rush. So yung akin. So for me, it's emotional because of that, and also because as with a lot of the Korean stuff that we've seen and K-pop and K-drama and all that, parang they're really good with really showcasing heart. Alam mo yon, parang yun talaga yung nagsiset sa kanila apart from like, I guess, like Western mainstream, parang physical reality shows na parang like they try as much as they can to really tug at your heartstrings and like see these people not just as like, oh, athletes, but as people na may mga background story. May ganun sila talaga. And they're really good at like showing how parang yes, may competition, pero they still support each other. Parang ganun, as you've said. Parang basically, like, you know, how Korean storytelling goes. Na parang, like, ang galing, na parang it transcends K-drama, kahit sa reality shows. Kaya nilang gawan talaga ng story na talagang will pull people in and really, it really stays with you
Pull the
you know, in your heart.
heartstrings, yeah.
Oo, in your heartstrings. And yun nga, adrenaline rush, because as I was watching, I was at the edge of my seat, as in. And sometimes nga, I would just be standing. As in, kasi hindi ko na kaya. Ayun, parang like, sobrang intense. And yun, magaling talaga sila sa ganun, like how they like not even cliffhanging at the end of the show. Parang it's the cliffhanging within the show din, yung parang pang nagka-cut sila to like reactions and stuff. Sobrang galing nila sa mga ganun. Talaga mahuhook ka talaga eh. Hindi mo siya mabibitawan. Na, binge watch ko siya, as in. Tapos parang I did not feel the hour pass by at all. Na parang, oh my
Same.
God, shit, say, next na. Parang, ang bilis.
Correct.
Na nangyayari. Ganun. So talagang, my goodness. As in, this is also my first physical 100, I guess, offshoot show. Physical, hindi ko finalo yun. Pero parang, parang gusto ko tuloy panoorin yung physical 100. Kung ganito
Yes.
siya.
Oo nga eh.
Please.
Kasi I've also heard na parang yun nga, the storytelling there is also so great.
Sobra.
Na parang like,
But season 2 better than season 1.
yun. Okay, so meron po tayong hot tip from Pia, no?
Yeah.
Para sa mga gusto rin panoorin ng Physical 100. Yun. So, essentially, for me, emotional adrenaline rush that kept me on my toes and made me cry a couple of times. So, awesome. Awesome show. Okay. So, yes, Pia, how about you?
Actually, medyo same din sa mga sinabi ninyo. Anuhin ko lang din na yun, kaya ko kailangan i-point out na Physical 102 than 1. Kasi sobrang ganda ng storytelling sa Physical 100 Season 2. Sa Season 1 kasi, dun galing si Yoon Sung Bin, diba?
Yeah.
Gio's ex, unconfirmed.
Ex,
Pero anyway,
unconfirmed.
sobrang ganda ng story niya dun. Tapos, I mean, hindi naman na yun spoiler, di siya nanalo. Parang, bakit hindi natin binild up kung sino nanalo? Tapos yung sa season 2 where Amuti won, as in that was where I was a huge fan of Amuti. That's why sobra talaga ako na-excite. Natuwa-tuwa, ang ganda-ganda ng storytelling telling na pinagkakagawa nun that I feel like they were finally able to really achieve here with Physical Asia. So same din, as in sa akin talaga drama. Like grabe talaga yung drama with every episode. It's really seeing stories unfold. And another one is hype. Like what Chancy was saying about super getting energetic na kinukwento ko nga sa kanila nung binge watch ko yung Physical 100 season 1. Nasa overnight bus ako ng husband ko. Pumunta kami ng Naga para basta for a trip. And then parang overnight bus dapat natutulog, pero ang hirap matulog eh. Kasi ang exciting ng lahat ng nangyayari. Paano to? Parang at nagnalatonin ako, hindi, nalabanan po ng Physical 100.
Yes,
so kung
Pilipinas
gusto nyo manood,
laban.
di ba, wag sa gabi, ganon. Unless gusto
Correct.
nyong gising kayo, tapos biglang nagbubuhat na kayo ng kung ano-ano sa bahay, tatry nyo tumalon-talon, ganyan.
Correct.
Try lang, ganon. Baka may rings kayo, sumabit kayo, ganyan. And also, very inspiring. Like, I've always found, like, athletes in general, obviously, like, everything that they put in is so inspiring. I guess with the storytelling, sa pagkakalatag din, obviously, we know more things because of social media. Nakikita na natin yung personality nila outside. Pero even here, like, everything is just so inspiring because obviously, there is that I guess, pressure, burden of representing your nation. However they were casted, ang dami kong nabasang mga casting stories. Pero kahit paano ka pa na-cast, you're there to represent your country. And you're there to represent your country, and yet, meron pa rin silang, ang inspiring ng friendship ng lahat ng tao, even outside of, supporting each other in their team and supporting the other teams as well. Kaya sobrang, ayun. So I guess those are my words. Drama, hype, and inspiring.
Yes. Kaya
Pero hindi
parang
ako mag-crossfit pa rin.
High rocks na lang. Uso yun ngayon. Grabe.
Oo nga, high rocks.
Dami
nga
nagka-high
eh.
rocks ngayon. Medyo intense.
Hi, Amuti.
Correct.
Kakakompete lang din ni Amuti sa high rocks sa Korea.
Talaga? Oh my God.
Pati sina Ann
Amuti.
Curtis.
Sina Ann. Mga sponsored. Oo. Siguro ako lang, parang in a way, to add then to that, parang like now that the show has ended and a lot of people nga have their own thoughts about it, 'di ba? Parang positive or negative. Parang I feel like end of the day, we should let go of in my opinion, let go of our own like biases and just see how these athletes interact with each other. And kung sila okay lang din
Correct.
dapat tayo. Di man tayo nag-compete
Oh
eh.
my God.
Correct. Correct.
Diba?
Maybe we can talk about that lightly because I don't know if this is just my feed, but a lot of people are talking about how Korea cheated or that's rigged in favor of Korea. Which I
got
find,
that too.
Yeah.
I find kind of not just stupid, but it's also like demeaning to the athletes who competed so
Correct.
well. Like, they tried so hard. Maybe their quote-unquote unfair advantage is that
Oo.
they already were exposed because 4 of them nag-physical 100 na nga, season 1 and 2. So,
Totoo.
may ganong klase silang advantage, pero that doesn't remove the fact na magaling sila eh.
Magaling
they
sila.
still competed.
Exactly. Oo.
Correct.
Honestly, na-disappoint nga ako na sila yung nanalo, pero parang alam mo, deserve. Ganon.
Same. Oo. Deserve
Correct.
naman. Ako rin
Same.
underdogger ako kasi ang galing din kasi talaga ng Mongolia.
Grabe.
So,
Yes.
yeah. Ayun.
Same
yeah.
also. But I couldn't I couldn't get mad. Cause like,
Oo.
kitang-kita naman eh.
Kitang-kita naman.
Plus, they had the drive. Like, they had fire in their
Exactly.
eyes. Alam mo yun? So,
Correct.
parang hindi ko
Oo.
siya, like, hindi siya, like, I would be pissed if like parang any lang sila na as if they already knew that this is rigged and like they're gonna win
Correct.
anyway.
Oo.
Like yun, but it never felt like that eh.
Yeah.
And I don't think they can be, well, maybe they're good actors, but I don't think so. Alam mo yun? Parang,
Correct.
Totoo.
no. I think they did what they could. I think they did everything naman. And they
Yes.
won.
I
Fair
agree.
and square.
Much like Pia and Mon, same thoughts din. Parang like, okay, meron silang unfair advantage. I guess, home court, ganoon naman talaga home court eh.
Correct.
Alam mo yun?
Correct.
Diba?
Correct.
So, I mean, pag kunyari, basketball, diba? Parang kunyari,
Yeah.
FIBA. Di, FIBA talaga.
Yeah, home court is real.
Home court is home court.
Advantage is real.
Yeah,
Exactly.
oo. But it's up to you as the athlete coming into the home court, 'di ba? Not your home court to adjust, alam mo 'yun. Pero like we've seen also the other athletes do so well, 'di ba? Parang like if you say naman na may daya, parang and some people are saying parang Mongolia kasi yung pinili kasi mas mahina sila kaysa Japan. Parang like
What
that's
the
so
hell?
unfair.
Wait, I'm so angry.
Sobrang unfair
so
yun sa
obvious.
kanila.
Yeah. And honestly, ako yung pinaka-ano ko dyan. Like, honestly, Australia was the strongest for me.
Yes.
Pero
Correct.
nagkamali sila sa strategy.
Exactly.
So parang gets,
Oo.
these mistakes happen. So ibig sabihin, like, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na dahil mas malakas sila dapat yung deserve. Gets? Parang hindi
Exactly.
nakaka-count yun. Na just
Exactly.
because physically they are stronger. Things still happen. And yun nga, like,
Exactly.
kahit hello yung, ang dami ilang beses the athletes yung kahit si Okir, yung nakahang siya sa sa rings, na na yun acrobat na yun pero namamatay na yung legs niya at alam mo yun,
Correct.
it still happens. Kaya nga physical challenge, diba? Parang kahit
Correct.
nagano sila kagaling, like the body will give way if it gives way. So even if Mongolia was still very powerful, sometimes it's just not their day, diba? Ika nga
Yeah.
na,
Oo,
True.
Australia.
Oo,
Diba?
sobrang
Exactly.
pe.
Sinabi
Just
natin
not their
nila.
day. And I feel like as viewers of this, we should take what they said into heart. Alam mo yon na parang sometimes it's just not your day and then you let go and you just appreciate
Exactly.
the moment that was given to you. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
oo, tama. We are talking about this very controversial take na nga, but we want to shift again to like our thoughts naman on our highlights of the show. So, I guess real quick na rin, no? Kasi we have a lot more to talk about pa din. So, for you girls, ano yung mga show highlights nyo na hindi nyo pa na-mention earlier? Yung mga particular
Mark Mugen.
ones. Mark
Like,
Mugen!
I just need to talk about this because I was telling Mon and Chancy na parang the first na bagsak nung mga episodes. Sabi ko, wag na kayo manood. Medyo, ako personally, medyo nakikringe na ako sa atin kasi para tayong, ano ba yan? Bakit ba ganito yung ginagawa natin? Parang may mga ganun na akong mga thoughts. Parang I felt kind of embarrassed at times for reasons na siguro na-feel din ng ibang mga nanonood na Pinoy or maybe not, maybe that was me. Pero, grabe talaga. As in, well, not just him, umpisa natin kay Lara Liwanag, yung parang nung hinagis lang niya yung babae dun sa kabilang side. Indonesia na ba kalaban? At Thailand, yung kalaban natin. Yung hinagis niya towards our side. As in
correct.
like,
Power.
that
Beast
moment, I was
Oo.
like, okay, kaya pala nauso talagang CrossFit, Anes. Ganito palang nangyayari.
Oo,
Parang
correct.
ganon.
Oo.
And then, yung moment na yon and yung moment ni Mark Mugen just like hanging there and like yung parang nagtitricks pa siya. Ganun, diba? Parang, mental kailangan natin i-psych out yung kalaban. May mga as in like those two moments like made me feel just so happy and so proud because honestly, naman, third world country that doesn't look at sports as anything. They don't even fund our sports. So parang yun yung mga inisip ko, ano ba yung kalaban naman natin, mga first world country, tayong mga sea countries, talong-talo na tayo. Parang gano'n yung mga thoughts ko. Pero
Gets.
yung kinaya nila, as in like the pride na parang, ano ngayon kung advanced ang equipment ninyo? Kahit na mga boy bakal yung mga tao dito, kaya nila.
Oo.
Parang gano'n.
True.
Hindi naman sila mukhang boy bakal. Sinasabi ko lang naman. Ayun. So those two moments are like, yes.
Yes, agree, sobra. Parang as in, yung kay Lara talaga, parang like, that was such, that moment, yung parang, oh my God, matatalo na ba tayo? Shit, ma-eliminate na ba tayo? And then she just dragged that girl and flipped her to
Correct.
our side dun sa ball game na yun. Grabe talaga.
With
And
like
at the
5
last
seconds
second,
left.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Sobrang galing talaga. Parang at the start, parang she was kind of, medyo lie low siya. I mean, ang dami kasi magagaling ng mga babae dito eh. Alam mo yun. And that will be my highlight actually. Na sobrang dami magagaling na babae. As in, power women,
Correct.
talaga, mga
Yeah.
Amazona.
Correct.
Alam mo yun. So parang she was
Super.
kind of like, nandun lang. And then when she did that, I'm like, oh my God. Grabe. Warrior princess. Ganun.
Yes.
Sobrang wild.
Hayop.
Hayop talaga. Sobra. So I guess which brings me nga to my highlight, which is the women, as in. So I'll just like run down na lang yung mga favorites ko ng mga babae kasi parang sobrang inspiring. Alam mo yun? Parang like, alam naman natin na biologically, di ba? Parang like may difference naman talaga yung men and women eh. Alam mo yun, in terms of
Yes.
biology. But they have proven na kaya. Alam mo yun? Parang kung ipupush
Yeah.
mo, alam mo yun, with the right mental, alam mo yun, parang push, grit, and all that, parang kaya. And I think for me, yung pinaka-epitome nun for me is si Fina from Indonesia, who was also part of that game. Yung firecracker ng Indonesia na babae na sobrang liit. Alam mo yun? And then,
Correct.
sobrang grabe talaga yung moment na yung nagalit na siya kasi parang na-injure yung isa nilang teammate ng Japan.
Oo.
Na-injure, yeah.
Tapos galit na
Tas
galit
siya pa si Mr. International.
Si Mr. International pa yun.
Yung
Parang, oh my God,
face.
sayang yung face niya, his career, ganon.
Oo nga.
Parang galit na galit siya. Tapos yun talagang parang, kulang na lang lumiyab yung mga mata niya. And how she like, just like, parang took off her shirt, pounded at her chest, tapos yung niyakap niya yung bola niya, tapos kalaban niya dalawang malalaking lalaki. Tapos never, nakuha naman yung ball from her. Hindi, nakuha ba? Tama ba?
I don't remember their
Oo,
fight.
I don't remember, pero parang I think it took them to the very last minute to finally like wrestle that ball from her. Pero she held on to that ball for as long as she could.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
sobrang galing. And then another one is also si Yasmin from Turkey. So, grabe talaga siya dun sa Territory Quest. Yung parang like, yung kalaban nila yung Australia, tapos yung nilusob lang talaga niya si Whittaker, si Ed
Correct.
Williams, parang tatlo silang magkakayakap doon, tapos siya nilusob lang niya mag-isang babae. Tapos parang kahit na yung Australia, na shook na lang sila na parang, oh my God, what the fuck is going on? Why is this one woman
Correct.
able to hold the three of us? Grabe. And then, of course, from Mongolia, si Adia surrendering the
Adi.
Grabe.
the stone totem
Siya yung
situation.
bato.
Yes.
Bato siya. Grabe, that woman.
As in.
She's my
Sobra.
Tapos
favorite
sobrang
woman,
cute pa
actually.
nung interview niya sa end, di ba? Something like, ngayon ko lang nalaman that I'm this strong pala.
Ang
Di ba?
ganda
Parang may
nun.
ganun siya.
Nakakaiyak
gosh.
yung part na yun. Yung she said na parang when she came into the show and then she saw all the athletes, parang medyo nagkaroon siya ng insecurity na parang kasing lakas ba ako nila? Parang gano'n. And then that happened. And then she showed na, oh my God, she is a warrior. She's
Yes.
warrior princess ang tawag ko sa kanya. Every time lumalabas siya, oh my God, nandiyan na yung warrior princess. Ayun. So, yun for me. And then, I guess another highlight is yung sa mga games. Go ahead.
Can I just add about like the women?
Sige, go ahead.
Parang, about the women lang in general, I guess this is like my one criticism against Team Korea is that they obviously looked at the women, obviously from like the editing maybe. Pero parang yung women sa kanila parang inaano lang nila. Ginugo lang nila sa, itong challenge na sa rope, alam nating hindi tayo mananalo o dyan na kayo. Parang meron silang may kind of disregard with the women. There was no kind of lifting up to them as opposed to all the other teams. Like, Team Australia, when they were pushing yung paikot-ikot, di ba, there are two women, si Caitlyn, si Dom Tomato. And then they were all like relying on Caitlyn for this moment. And parang everybody knew na it is your game. Parang in equal footing yung mga babae at saka mga lalaki sa Australia.
Si Addie
Obviously,
din.
that we talked about
Oo.
in Mongolia,
And
it was
Turkey.
like that as well.
Turkey
Even
as
in the
well.
Philippines, they know, like, yun nga, I mean, that moment of Lara Liwanag. Parang ganun lang na parang, okay, I guess parang ako lang, yun yung observation ko na talagang medyo disregarded na tong mga babae na, sige, dyan lang kayo. Parang may ganun akong na-feel sa kanila.
I did notice that too. In general, sila yung humihirit na, whoa, they're sending a girl. Parang may ganon.
Correct,
always
correct.
Team Korea.
That's true.
And
Oo
whenever they
nga.
say that, parang, okay. But at the same time, it also felt like it didn't come from, it's still bad. I mean, parang it came out so natural na it was like normal for them. Parang
Yeah.
ganon.
Yeah.
I feel naman that they respect women, pero yun nga lang, parang it came off as like an everyday thing na, babae kayo, parang ganon.
Oo. May ganun. May
So,
konting disregard akong na-feel. Yun
Yeah,
lang.
yeah.
Baka
Same,
ano,
I saw that also.
yeah. Baka in I guess with sports in general, parang like syempre mixed event siya. So parang like kumbaga I would think na baka like the men feel like since it's a strength game, sila yung parang mas focus sila sa strength and they always feel that women can't be physically strong enough as men. Parang may ganun
Which,
silang
nakita naman natin na the women
Exactly.
really stepped up. Hello.
exactly
From the
Yeah.
other teams, especially because
Oo.
they
I
were
think-
allowed to shine. Ayun lang.
Exactly. Oo nga.
Kaya gulat na gulat sila kay Adi. Nung nagpo-push sila yung blocks.
Correct.
Si Adi halos yung bato na hindi gumagalaw. Hindi sila
Correct.
makapaniwala na
Correct.
hindi nila siya magalaw.
Oo.
Like, it really felt like, babae siya, tapos hindi natin magalaw. Parang ganun.
Correct. Correct.
Shook sila.
Baka ngayon lang kasi talaga nila na-experience yun. Kasi ngayon lang sila nakapag-compete with a woman. I guess my other highlight is, sa mga games, nga, na-mention ko na nga yung Territory Conquest kanina. For me, parang like, since this is also my first physical physical Asia show, I guess. Parang sobrang tungtuwa lang talaga ako sa pagkakagawa nun. As in talagang, like, if you want to start a show like this with a bang, yun talaga yun. As in, bodies like slamming at each
perfect.
other,
Yeah.
like sand flying, yung camera work na sobrang parang, oh my God, para ka talaga nasa gitna ng isang battle, and then biglang magkakaroon sila
Yeah.
ng sun sa likod. Oh my God, it reminds you of that film. What's that film? Yung may sun sa likod. Lumang Christian Bale. Empire of the Sun. Yes, Empire of the Sun. May ganon. So parang it gives off this very like epic cinematic quality to it. Talagang parang it really elevates the show and the athletes talaga na parang, oh my God, like I'm watching a show about like mythical people. As in warriors talaga to. So ganun yung feel. And sobrang 100% best way to start a show. Sobra. So
Yeah.
yun.
Correct.
Oo. I guess I'll stick with 2 na lang. Okay na ako sa 2. Yun. How about you, Mon? What are your highlights for the show?
Ako naman, sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung opening before the quest. Yung the athletes coming in their garb, showing off who they are, guessing kung sino sila, anong country. Wala lang. Sobrang natuwa ako kasi parang it was a good introduction to the countries involved.
Correct.
And at the same time, like, ang ganda kasi obviously yung mga nakast dito, a lot of them are famous already.
Correct.
So,
Oo.
and they didn't know who they were gonna compete with. So, yung mga shock nila na, oh my God, nandito si Okami. Oh my God, nandito si Superbon. Tapos, alam mo yun, mga sikat tong mga to Like,
Oh my
alam
God,
mo
yung si
yun, parang-
Pacquiao. Nakalimutan si Pacquiao.
Yeah. Pacquiao too. And everyone just went nuts. Na para, what? Oh my God, I can't believe he's here. I really liked that introduction. I really thought that it was a good way to start the show.
Yeah.
And then, cut to the first quest, which was also perfect. Like, it was like the perfect first game. I also love James so much, and I really wish their team did well so that he could have stayed. His favorite moment ka talaga yung sinabi niya, yung, you have Jisoo and we have Lisa. Like, I felt that.
Grabe. Memeable.
Correct.
Like, and siguro sobrang I mean, obviously when he came in, no opening pa lang, he was sashaying na, alam mo yon, like, we knew that this guy has personality and he's one to, you know, to look out for because he seems amusing and all that. Pero, nung nandun na sila sa ship, tapos yung pagbuhat niya dun sa crate, as in, para siyang, like, the
Grabe
typical
yun.
Asian,
Correct.
ano yun, yung Asian vendor na nagbebenta ng yung buong
Para siyang
kabuhayan
ano,
niya nasa likod.
Para
Parang
siyang-
ganun yung kasi everyone else was carrying the box like, you know, the normal way.
Correct.
Siya
Correct.
ata yung unang nagbuhat like on his
Oo,
back.
sa
Parang,
likod.
Back.
Correct.
Yeah.
oo, like, oh, okay. As in,
it's giving
that point
Porter.
onwards, I really thought,
Porter sa
exactly.
Super
That
Fairy.
point-
Ganon.
Exactly.
correct. That point, I really said, para, okay, don't mess with James. Like, hindi lang
Yes.
siya, like, you know how sometimes you cast people because my personality? And
Correct.
I really thought he
Personality
was
hire.
that. Because, I really thought he was gonna be that. Pero nung binuhat niya talaga, para, okay, don't mess
Yes.
with James. I like this guy
Grabe.
as in.
And I bet he can also do it in heels. Like,
Yeah, for sure.
I
Oo.
bet so too.
And his long vest pa.
And I guess the other highlight for me talaga is Team Mongolia. I'm really Mongolia.
Yes.
As in through and through. Like, aside from being the underdog, like, it was just so nice. I mean, I feel, I think naman the world knows how great madaming great athletes from Mongolia.
Yeah.
And usually they're in wrestling, judo, so, you know, mga sports na nakita naman natin in the contestants, right? But like, I don't know, parang even though we know that they're great athletes and we know their history, you know, the Genghis Khan, like the Huns, alam natin na, kaya nakakatawa nga yung mga hirit na yung nahirapan silang i-close yung gate kasi technically ang mga Mongols, they're just known for invading, but they don't know how to close the door.
Kaya ang bilis
so
nilang
funny.
nabuksan yung pinto.
Oo,
Diba?
diba?
Oo, alam nila
As
yung
in
angle.
ram, like,
Oo.
nasa dugo nila kung paano mag-ram ng ano,
Correct.
ng isang
Oo.
castle gate, parang ganon.
Doon ako, parang
But
tawang-tawa may nakikita akong mga tweet na parang unfair advantage sa Mongolia kasi nag-time travel si Enk Orgil para lang
Correct.
magbukas ng castle.
Correct.
Alam niya eh.
Oo, correct. And
Yung
not just
angle na tama.
Oo, sabi niya kailangan
Correct.
sa ilalim nung harang. Kasi pag dun sa
Diba?
harang,
Correct.
malakas.
Experience.
But yun nga, going back to what I was saying, na even though we know their history, we know them as great athletes, but we don't really know them as much.
Correct.
I mean, there's
Oo
so
nga,
much of
exactly.
Mongolia that we know. Like right now, I want to go to Mongolia. I already
I wanna
checked.
go to
Di natin kailangan ng visa. Like, I want to see Mongolia.
I want to see
And-
Mongolia too.
And I want to see like a balk match kasi ang ganda. And I'm just so, like, medyo nga unfair eh. Kasi sa lahat ng mga team cheer, sila yung may sound effects.
Correct.
Kaya sobrang love ko yung, tapos may eagle. So,
Oo.
parang
Correct.
green archer at blue eagle in one. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Like, sila lang may ganon, di ba? Everyone else, cute din yung sa Australia, yung, ano yun, cattle dog. Cattle,
Oo.
Something
Cattle.
cat dog.
I forget.
Something.
Ah,
You
cattle
say
dog.
cattle, you
diba?
say
Parang-
dog. Parang ganun.
Oh, yun.
Cattle dog, cattle
Parang,
dog.
I mean, cute yung mga cheers, pero they're just cheers. Pero pag Mongolia, tas gumanon sila,
Show. Oo.
may eagle. As in, kailangan talaga may eagle sound. So, sobrang tonto ako. And like, as individuals, like, isa sa mga favorite ko talaga si Okir, the circus guy.
Yeah.
Because like, you know, I mean, we know them to be very good athletes, but we don't know them, like, to be in, like,
Correct.
competitive athletes. So, I really liked seeing, like, a character, like, a person, a contestant like that. Because
Yeah.
it just made it, I don't know, parang mas exciting. Parang, I feel like in Mongolia, the presence of Mongolia, I feel like I learned so much about them.
Correct.
And that's so great. Like, I find that so advantageous for them. I saw nga this TikTok na parang dun relating to the eagle sound. Tapos parang what's his name? The captain, the bok wrestler nga. Parang usually ganun yung, basta may movement siya na ganun. Parang tradition siya talaga in wrestling. Like, it's a part of the ceremony, that kind of eagle dance. And everyone asked about it kasi parang he would do parang may ganun-ganun siya, di ba? Like, apparently a lot of people, a lot of netizens asked about it, and then here are the Mongolians so excited to explain what they were, what it was about, etc. So, di ba, parang I'm so happy for Mongolia that they are given this kind of platform. We don't hear much from them.
Exactly.
Super
So,
agree.
yun. Kaya Team Mongolia talaga ako. Kahit deserve
Yes.
naman ng Korea manalo, pero Team Mongolia talaga ako.
Yeah.
Yung sabi nga nila na, yes, South Korea won Physical Asia, pero the Mongolian team won all the people's hearts.
The hearts.
So
Yes.
true.
I agree.
Like, I literally screamed when they announced the results of that quest nga, yun sa castle, because I really thought na parang leading up to it, when Australia was eliminated, I was like, okay, it's gonna be Japan, Korea for the finals. Parang as in
Correct.
naka-ready yung utak ko. Tapos yung bigla na
correct.
lang nung in-announce na Team Mongol. Parang as in sumigaw
So
talaga ako.
happy.
Like, I
Sobrang
was
same.
so
I was so
shocked.
happy.
Grabe talaga yung moment na yun. Best.
Diba? But also confused because I was also rooting for Japan because, Nakamura and Itoy. And, like, I really like them too. They were so hardworking also. I mean, I feel like they deserved to win also. So, but yun nga, parang happy, super ecstatic that Mongolia was announced. But also sad, like, also devastated that Japan didn't make it.
Yeah.
But I guess more happy
Yeah.
because again, Team Mongolia.
Feeling ko yung Japanese team kasi, mga Japanese kasi sanay din silang mag-iba din ng mga pader, di ba? Ng mga floors. As fellow conquerors.
Pero parang yung sa Japan, wala silang parang strongman. Parang lahat sila
Wala
medyo
Wala
on the
nga sila.
if you look at athletes, parang nasa lean side
Yeah.
sila. Kahit di naman sila lean. Pero parang lahat kasi, di ba, may strongman and then the other athletes. Bakit sila
correct.
wala? Kung may sumo wrestler sila, ayun na. Parang maglalaban
Oo
sila
nga
ni Kim
eh.
Min-jae, ganon.
Pero
Parang
feeling
si
ko
Itoy na yung pinaka
strongman.
strong nila. And my God, I was also shocked by him. Like, he's so strong. When he was doing the kettlebell swing over the gate, na parang
bag toss.
mani-mani lang sa kanya. Damn. Like, and then when he did the running also, and the fucking rope, yung rope talaga, yun yung hatest ka talaga sa gym.
Yes,
Like,
same.
Like, monster, beast mode siya. As in, parang, oh my
Grabe.
God. Like, kamukha na niya si Taguro ng Ghost Fighter. As in, wow, naloloka ako sa kanya.
Correct. Puputok na siya. Parang parang I feel like with Japan, feeling ko parang siya na nga yung strongman nila, pero parang ang advantage kasi talaga ng Mongolia for me is, magaling sila mag-strategize. As in, parang like, I actually thought that they were gonna do, be number one nga dun sa conquest. But then, yun nga, they missed out on the whole closing of the gate. Kasi from the get-go, sobrang systematic nung ginawa nila. Inuunahan nila yung Korea talaga by a few seconds. But still, that says a lot, diba? Pero parang, but I super appreciate na ang bilis nilang maghanap ng solusyon. Alam mo yun, they think out of the box.
Exactly.
Oh,
Yeah.
and then siguro fun fact na lang din.
Genghis
Kasi,
Khan.
si Enk Orgil, nag-time travel. Parang siya, so, parang,
Gusto ko siya bigyan ng suklay.
correct. Pero
No,
wag,
I love the
kailangan.
look.
Gusto
Do
ko yung
not change it.
ganun. Character niya yun. So, parang siya, parang he hasn't had like the best, younger years. So feeling ko yung knowledge niya, practical knowledge siya. And it really does
Correct.
feel like what they have is practical knowledge. Alam mo yun?
Correct.
Tapos sobrang nakakatuwa siya. Siya yung laging humihirit na, yeah, I grew up in the mountains. I was wrestling horses. Like, I was running in steps and like, yun yung childhood daw niya. Tumatakbo-takbo lang siya sa mga bundok, gano'n.
Correct.
So, na-imagine, yung pa, in fairness kay Orgil, as in, na-imagine ko talaga yung Mongolia. I mean, the way we
Oo,
imagine how Mongolia
Oo.
would look like.
Correct.
Pag nagkukwento
True.
siya, nagsaside kwento siya ng mga ganun.
Tsaka, gusto ko na parang, yun nga, parang kahit na si kasi si Captain Orcon Bayar, parang may mention din siya na parang, I've been wrestling horses when I was young. Parang like, ang dami ng mga kabayong na wrestle.
Diba?
Grabe,
Madami
sobrang
talagang
dami kabayo
kabayo
na
sa
wrestle.
Mongolia.
Add ko lang din yung isa ko pang highlight aside from my God sa Team Mongolia. I just also want to give like a huge shout out to Justin Hernandez. Like, grabe yung debut niya to this
Sobra.
physical Asia
Agree.
stage. Filling the shoes of Manny Pacquiao. Going face to face to with Amuti and Eddie Williams. As in parang
Yes.
makikita mo, syempre malamang editing na yon, pero medyo nagpa-falter na si Amuti kung hindi lang masyadong malayo yung tapon ni Eddie Williams na kailangan pa niyang buhatin bago niya magtapon.
Correct. Oo.
Kasi that, di ba, energy wasted. Pero kung naano niya yun, feeling ko, as in kaya niya. Kasi yun yung mga parang trend ng mga previous na mga physical 100. It's always a CrossFitter who wins. Kaya nung tinitingnan ko, sabi ko, bakit wala tayong CrossFit athlete? Tapos nung dumating na siya, sabi ko, okay, panalo. Panalo.
Oo.
Siya ang pwedeng tumapat kay Amuti. Si Eddie Williams masyado ng halimaw eh. Buisit yun eh.
Masyadong halimaw talaga si Eddie
Masyado.
Williams. Grabe.
Out of this world.
May onting unfairness
Oo.
nga eh. Tawang-tawa ako
Correct.
nung arm wrestling na parang talaga.
Correct.
Walang makakatalo niyan. Don't waste time. Or
Oo.
ibang game na
Lalo
lang.
dito.
Jumping jacks or
Oo.
I don't know, skip rope.
Real quick, parang nag-mention na tayo ng mga several names of the athletes. Pero for you, sino talaga dito ang pinaka-bias nyo sa lahat? As in, sa lahat ng
Pinaka?
athletes eh. Oo, as in, top bias nyo talaga.
Ako si Itoy talaga.
Ito eh.
Japan.
Okay. Alright. Tatay ni DK. How about you, Pia?
Yes.
Nalilito ako eh, dalawa talaga eh. Either si Mark Mugen or si Enk Orgil. Silang dalawa talaga.
Wow! Si Enk Orgil talaga nandun.
Yes, as in.
Oo. Ako rin siguro nalilito ko kasi parang on one end, parang pogi bias talaga is Nakamura. Parang like every time
Nakamura.
lumalabas siya talaga, parang pogi. As in talagang, kailangan mo ilabas eh. Parang siyang burp. Alam mo yun?
Correct.
It has to
Tapos
come out.
nag-change color, hair color
Oo nga
pa siya.
eh. Grabe nung naging gray yung buhok niya. Parang, my God, sobrang pogi mo. Intense.
Sobra.
Diba?
Parang wala kang
Mas gusto
karapatan
ko
na
yung
maging
gray
ganyan
din.
kapogi. Tapos ganyan ka rin
Diba?
ka-athletic. So annoying.
Tapos ang pleasant lagi ng muka. Parang hindi
Oo,
nahihirapan.
hindi hirapan.
Correct.
Gabi. Tapos medyo kenkoy pa siya ng slight. Alam mo yon.
Correct.
So adorbs. And then
Instant
other
Instagram
one.
follow.
Yes, exactly. Medyo confused pa ako from team, what do you call this? Team Mongolia. Kasi yes, Enk Orgil din. Pero si si Captain My Captain din parang right up there din sa Parang I
So
like his
nice.
very, like yung mga ibang team captains kasi parang makikita mo yung agitation nila. Alam mo yon yung pag
Oo,
sobrang
correct.
hyped up siya.
Oh, si
And then
Kimbo.
he-
Oo.
Oo, si Kimbo,
Oo.
pati yung Turkey na parang lahat sila may, siguro yung makakatalo lang sa kalma niya is yung Japan na captain. Pero siya, he's just so chill. He's just standing there. Alam mo yun, and watching.
But
Alam mo
Okani
yun.
is also very, dahil MMA, I guess dahil MMA fighter siya, medyo meron siyang, parang kill.
Oo.
Hindi naman kill. Hindi yun yung ginamit niya, pero gets, parang laban.
May urge.
Parang
urgency.
Parang what's his name? Si Mongolian captain.
Oo.
He's always so positive too. And like,
Oh,
it
agree.
always
That's
feels like every time
true.
they lose a challenge or whatever,
Or
he's
konbayan.
always like, nah, it's okay. Parang he's
Oo.
always so,
Correct.
wala yan.
True.
Alam mo yun? Parang,
They can't defeat the Huns. Ganon.
Yeah, exactly. Grabe. Mga Sarang Base na nakikinig, drop in the comment section kung sino yung mga physical Asia biases nyo. Gusto nang malaman kung sino yung mga yan. Okay lang tayong magkasabay ng mga bias. Masaya,
Okay
the more
lang,
the
go
merrier. Walang
Sobrang
dito.
nakakatawa kasi napansin ko parang sa show, bigla na lang naglabasan na yung mga asawa nila sa Instagram. Parang nung una pag physical Asia, mga naka-topless, tas yung next post, yung mga asawa naglabasan. So,
Oo,
parang,
correct.
gets po. Taken
Alam
po.
na.
Kailangan
Oo.
na, binakura na. Hindi, pero yung
Oo.
nakakatawa, yung nag-post yung asawa, tapos naka-ano lang siya, naka-ano dito, collab.
Para lang makita.
Para,
Ganun. Tapos yung mga
Correct.
misis magaganda tsaka mga sexy
Correct.
go.
Tsaka mga fellow
Go
athletes
naman.
din nila, yung iba.
Pag athletes
Oo,
talaga,
correct.
lapitin talaga sa hot
Correct.
I think it's time to be an athlete, guys.
spouses.
Huwag tayo papatalo sa edad natin. May oras pa. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm down to my last two questions. So real quick na lang for these two, but I want to focus pa din on the Filipino side of it. Kasi nga meron tayong
Yes.
representation here. I want to know what you guys felt nung nakita nyo na may athletes tayo na nagko-compete sa show na to. So, ano yung mga feelings nyo?
Ako, parang yun nga, sa start, like I mentioned kanina, parang medyo roller coaster. But I just also wanna mention how much I love how this whole production treated Manny Pacquiao. Like, hindi... We can say a lot of things about him, like with his politics and everything else, but him as an athlete, medyo na-shock ako na, kasi parang sa atin, may laban na naman si Pacquiao. Medyo naging ganun na recently.
Oo.
It was kind of
umabot
like,
na sa point na gano'n. Oo.
oo, no? Parang medyo hindi na siya kasing celebrated as before. Pero like, they put him in such a high pedestal in this whole show. They treated him with so much respect from the way he
Correct.
entered, the last person to enter the arena
Exactly.
na nakasuit. I'm so sorry.
And
Hindi siya
shades.
nakapang-boxing.
Oo.
Parang lahat sila, yung iba, di ba, naka-trunks na lang, puro oiled up, ganon. Pero siya
Correct.
nakasuit ang lolo mo.
Oo.
And then parang
Correct.
everybody wanting to shake his hand to even his exit. Like, I've seen a lot of mga Korean shows na kapag may athlete, or not just an athlete, pero kunwari merong mga kailangan umexit sa show early, parang sinabi na lang, wala na siya, replaced na siya. Or minsan nga hindi man lang acknowledged. Pero to the very end, so much respect given to him, and it made me feel so proud and maybe reminded once again na, oo nga no, tangin ang galing nga pala niya, no? Parang may ganon.
Oo.
Correct.
Sobrang agree.
Same feels ako dyan. I mean, over the years, it's been a while din kasi since he's been placed on the pedestal na as an athlete. I mean, diba?
Correct.
Kasi obviously, ang involvement niya now ay politics and nung time na yon parang sobrang nakalungkot kasi, well, hindi kasi ako sang-ayon sa mga views niya, especially on religion. So,
Correct.
you know, it was a little bit minsan when I see him, ang negative na ng thoughts ko.
Exactly.
And I forget
Yeah.
about his history in sport that he
Correct.
deserves. Like, he deserves all the, you know, all that respect because he did
Yes.
so well in the sport. So I'm so happy that he was also involved in something like this that, you know, reminded us all na at the end of the day, Manny brought so much glory to our country as a sportsman.
Correct. Oo. Siguro to
But
add.
at the same time, sorry, sige.
Go ahead, go ahead.
May napansin lang ako though. So parang when he exited, somehow when he was still present, like tapos team captain pa siya, as he should be since siya naman talaga yung biggest name. Like it kind of felt like when he left, mas na-feel ko yung pagka-team Philippines. Like it didn't feel
Yes,
for me
yes.
na he was a good captain. And I don't think naman I can blame him then on that. I mean, I don't know then if it has something to do kasi syempre boxing, it's not a team
Yeah.
sport. I mean, it is a
Yeah.
team, you know, you have like
Exactly.
teammates in terms of coaches, etc. But it's
Yeah.
still an individual thing, di ba? It's
Correct,
still an
correct.
individual performance.
Agree.
So I'm wondering if it's because of that, so he doesn't really know how to play as a team. And or parang nung nagsa-start na kasi ako mag-scroll sa mga behind the scenes nga ni na Mark Mugen, ni na Lara, etc. So I loved seeing them all of the teams actually. I loved like yung them hanging out like in their own green rooms, parang per country may green room sila, nag-aabang, nag-whatever. Tapos meron pa nga ako nakita yung nag-rehearse sila kung ano yung itsura nila for their entrance.
Correct.
Parang may ganon. Pero walang Manny Pacquiao. And
Wala.
I understand why he'd have his own room, right? Like, because he is VIP kung VIP.
Correct.
But somehow, it kind of felt like, from the beginning, like, we weren't gonna be a team with him
Gets.
in it. Like, I don't think he
Gets.
was a very good captain. And the moment Justin came in, suddenly, mas mabilis yung communication, mas, alam mo yun,
Yes.
mas klaro kung ano yung movement nila as a team.
Oo.
Tama. Agree.
Completely agree.
Oo.
Like, even sa start, nung nag-territory conquest sila, it's really mostly Mark and Justin, like, giving out instructions. Emphasized lang, I guess, by Pacquiao. Pero agree nga na parang
Yeah.
like, he doesn't really come from like a team sport. So, I guess, nandun din yung ano. But, I mean, ano bang role din dito ni Pacquiao? Parang a lot of people were asking, bakit pa ba siya pumunta? Bakit pa ba siya nandyan? 'Di ba? Parang like, I
Correct
saw
din
an
naman.
interview of the creator na parang the producer. So parang he's a big fan of Pacquiao and has known Pacquiao way before Physical. So talagang when they decided to do Physical Asia, talagang in-invite niya si Pacquiao to be part of it. Dahil si Pacquiao also enjoyed Physical 100. So
Yeah.
and what I really love about Pacquiao being here, and I guess siguro parang what a good representation then of the Filipino spirit is that he's just there because he wanted to be there. Alam mo yun? Sobrang, I really loved, na parang sa una parang, my gosh, paano ba magpa-participate si Pacquiao dito? Bakbakan eh. Pero hindi nakikibakbak siya. As in talagang, yung
Correct.
favorite moment ko of his was during the shipwreck quest.
Yes.
And then yung parang, yung talagang, grabe, ang dami niyang binuhat na ano ha. Ang dami niyang binuhat na
Oo.
sako. Parang 4 in one go. Na parang like,
Correct.
that is a 46-year-old man. He's the oldest guy there. And probably even the least fit. Kasi hindi na naman siya fully alam mo yon, nagpa-practice ng sports. Alam mo yon. So, parang like, but pinushed pa rin niya yung sarili niya. And
Correct.
alam mo yun, until the very end, he did it. Diba?
Correct.
So, parang, alam mo, good job. And I think for me, parang like, I want to connect this conversation kasi to national pride. Diba? And, we're already talking about it, how we felt about the show, how it ignited something in us. And parang nakita natin na parang every time may interview ng team, it's always parang like, I want to do this for my country. So parang as an add-on question for you girls, parang like, seeing all these teams parang talk about national pride, like parang did it change your thought about national pride or did it add something to it? Parang may yung personal national pride nyo as a Filipino, parang may nadagdagan ba dun? Seeing all this happen in front of you?
I think for sure. Parang ako, bumabalik na naman sa, na-depress na naman. Because again, this government does not care about us. And it's been like that for several governments. Na parang there's so much talent and these people are able to succeed by their own means. Hindi yan nangyayari because we have the proper facilities, because we have the proper people to train whatsoever. It makes me proud na again, this third world country kayang makipagsabayan with all of these like hello South Korea with Japan and all of that. Parang nakaka-proud na kaya natin. Paano pa kaya kung binigyan natin ng attention yung mga athletes? Like, di ba we
Correct.
always talk during the Olympics, we're always so like, so happy that, Heidi Lin, Carlos Yulo. Pero alam mo yun, parang alam din natin the dire state of how people are treating the athletes. Kaya parang yun lang, parang yung hay nako. Parang may ganun lang din na naman na reminder sa akin na, alam mo kung meron lang tayong sigurong maayos na pag-fund or even like nurturing the dreams of kids, we could have done so much better.
Agree.
Ako naman,
Super.
well, yes, I did think of that too. But also, I became hopeful that na-showcase na marami pang ibang sport ang part ang Pilipinas. Kasi parang, I mean,
Wala ngang
we
basketball
know,
player,
diba?
Correct. Oo.
Ang alam lang natin na magaling tayo, basketball, volleyball, currently tennis because of Alex
Alex.
Ayala. And then of course yun nga, yung weightlifting and gymnastics. But suddenly, we have crossfitters. We have ano ba siya?
Sambo
Athletics, si
athletes.
Robin.
Sambo.
We have sambo. Alam natin na may rugby team tayo. Pero
meron din tayong
diba, parang
hybrid
hindi siya-
athlete.
I know.
Hybrid athlete.
Parang, kumbaga, I don't know, like, it's so rare, dahil nga hindi supported ng government, it's so rare that we get other sports to be highlight na magaling, na capable tayo. So this one, because like it's on that kind of athletics, like it's nice to see that there are sports like that too. So hopefully, plus I don't know, I mean the Olympics is a huge deal, but the scope of Netflix too, I feel nga might be even broader because ganun ka-powerful din ang Netflix. So
Correct.
hopefully in terms of awareness, malakas to for the people to be encouraged to, you know, support these sports, for the young kids to pursue these sports, and maybe for the government to recognize that there's so much sports na we are capable of. And
Sobra,
yun nga,
yes.
again, sana ma-instill na we are doing well. Actually, now more than ever, sport is kind of doing a little bit well, super baby steps, but we're doing so well. So hopefully, ito, additional to like the sporting spark that we've experienced. I feel like Alex Ayala sparked so much in this year. So I really feel like Physical Asia baka makatulong pa. So
Yes.
tas kakatapos lang ng Olympics. So parang alam mo yon, parang awareness levels is pretty up there. So sana may mangyari.
Correct.
Sana patuloy pa to. Alam mo yon, dire-diretso pa to to more, I don't know, positive things in
Correct.
improving our system in supporting sports.
Correct. I sobrang agree. And parang, I guess, in terms of our national pride, parang, and not just with sports, I guess, but with, you know, everything else, like, you know, us sending people out into the world and them doing well there. Si JL na pinag-usapan natin, na Ahof, alam mo yun, we're just so very proud of our, you know, kababayans who do really well in the global stage. And parang I feel like, yes, the government should parang do something about it to really enrich all these people. And give us proper equipment, you know, like, you know, avenues to be able to improve ourselves. But on the other side, feeling ko, and seeing the, you know, the athletes talk about their national pride in the show, parang we have to deepen it pa. Parang I feel like, feeling ko sila kasi may advantage sila of history, na parang alam mo yun, you know, the Mongolians talking about their bloodline, alam mo yun, the Turkeys talking about, you know, all the things that they've gone through in their history. Parang tayo, we have forgotten about that. So I guess that kind of like shows then in how we talk about these things. So like, how can we now as Filipino people deepen our national pride? Alam mo yun. So, iniisip ko na lang, baka it's through these people, alam mo yun, and see ourselves in them and really like root for them in a deeper way. Hindi lang yung parang, oy, Pilipino, gano'n. Hindi lang gano'n yung parang,
Uy,
we share,
Philippines!
or Philippines,
Uy,
like, oh my,
Philippines!
oy, Philippines. Parang like, oh, we share the same history. Alam mo yun, na parang, you are me, I am you. Alam mo yun, and anything you can do, I can do, we can do this together. So, parang, ayun, yun lang yung take ko on that. And yes, government should do most of the job here. Kasi
Yes.
you are paid by our taxes kahit na hindi lahat
Correct.
napupunta sa kung saan dapat mapunta. Ayun. Okay, so we kind of ended in a more somber tone there. So I'm gonna... Positive naman, hopeful.
Kaya pa.
Somber naman, saktong ano
Hopeful.
lang. Parang, alam mo yun, contemplative, ganon. My last question for you girls is, and for the Sarang base out there, super quick na lang to. And we know that Physical Asia is a very successful show, and obviously magkakaroon ng next season to. So what do you hope to see in this next season?
I want the quests to be more varied. Like, dun sa Physical
Same.
100 Season 1 and 2, hindi lang puro strength eh. Merong endurance, may mga takbo, may, as in like, it's a mix. Kaya nga parang the point was like to find the most perfect physique or something like that yung
Correct.
pinaka-ano ng show. Eh, ito puro strength lang. Parang ganun, especially all the quests. Parang doon nakarely. So I want it to be more varied kasi there's a reason why there are different athletes there, not just strongmen. So yun lang, mas varied na quests para mas enjoyable and mas kayang time to shine ng lahat ng klase ng athletes. Yun.
Yes. Sobrang
Mas
agree.
ano siya.
Oo.
Gusto ko lang din idagdag doon na parang medyo na-layman ako sa last quest, sa last game, yung finale. Parang mas exciting yung ano,
Shipwreck.
yung invasion.
Yung invasion.
Hindi,
Oo
kahit
nga.
yung castle invasion.
Oo.
So parang it was a little bit of a, although it was exciting kasi we're about to find out the winners. But parang I found it more epic. Like the
Yeah.
second to the last game.
Parang culinary class wars lang yung feel.
Oo nga Naisip ko rin yon actually. But my hope for next season actually for Physical Asia is for more Asian countries to come in because Asia is massive and ang dami pang wala. Whereas Vietnam, India, Indonesia, Taiwan, Nepal,
China.
Bhutan, like I
Hindi daw
want
pwede China kasi walang Netflix sa China.
Kaya pala.
Kaya sila
Okay.
Bye China.
Well, good
Okay
for
lang.
us.
Magsarili sila. Oo nga kasi
Kasi sa invasion, parang nauna na sila, tapos
Oo
na.
nga, hanggang
Oo
ngayon
nga
nag-invade pa sila on a
Correct.
different sense.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Pero diba, parang it would be nice. I would really like to see more countries participate.
Correct.
And if lalo na the smaller countries, I guess, kasi parang sobrang natuwa talaga ako sa kung ano man yung nangyari for Mongolia, that they were given this time to shine. Like, I wish it for other smaller, not necessarily smaller, but other non-powerhouse countries, I guess. Because I feel like I'm pretty sure they have their own talents too and they are well capable.
Correct.
And maybe pag-isipan din nila kung kailangan ba talaga isama ang Asia Pacific at ang
Correct.
Asia/Europe. Kasi honestly, nadadayaan din ako sa Turkey Kasi half Europe, half Asia sila
Oo nga, nagko-compete nga sila sa Euro Games
as
eh.
Eurasia. Pero parang ano ba yan? Tapos New Zealand din, sasali na. Ano ba? Tama
Diba?
na.
Nag-wrestle din
Ayun
sila doon
lang.
ng mga sheep.
Correct.
Pero ako sobrang agree with what you're saying, like with what Pia said na more diversity. Parang I didn't know na ganun yung sa previous seasons. But yes, parang a little bit less on strength, more on agility. But I want to see more bodies. That's why I love Mongolia. That's why I love Mongolia. Kasi iba-iba itsura nila eh. Parang when you look at South Korea, parang lahat sila malalaki katawan. Alam mo yun? Parang mukha silang cut from the same cord. Pero pag tingnan mo yung Mongolia, parang like, there's this guy that looks like an elf. May isa na mukhang parang maliit na trollish. Kaya mukha talaga silang galing Lord of the Rings, honestly. And then there's this tall guy.
And then
Diba,
Adi.
super tall guy. Oo.
Yeah.
And then
Tas
may
si Adi, the judoka, she really looks like the quintessential Mongolian woman.
Mongolian.
Which
alam mo
Actually,
I love
kung
her
paano mo yun
face.
na-imagine. Correct.
Correct.
Diba? I love her
Oo.
face.
Sobrang diverse ng ano nila dun, no? Ng mga itsura. So, yun. So, something like that. A little bit more diversity in games. And same din with Mon. Yes, to more Asian nations participating. Para masaya. Although, I think magiging, ilang episodes ba to? 8 episodes? No, 11 episodes. Magiging
12.
20 ata kung ganun siya kadami. Sobrang daming participants. So, yun.
Hindi,
But,
kasi physical
kaya
100,
tanggalin yung
100
Australia.
sila eh.
ay, oo nga naman.
From 100 to 1. So, kaya yun.
Kaya nga, I vote wala ng Australia tsaka Turkey. Galit talaga.
Correct. Ayun
Hindi
talaga.
kasi siya physical Asia Pacific. Char.
Diba?
Ano daw, dapat,
Ayun
dapat
lang.
welcoming daw tayo. Hindi kasi parang yung mga Australians naman daw parati nasa Bali. So basically Asian sila. Yun yung
Okay.
logic doon. Oo.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayun. Pero yung honest
But I
to
love
goodness.
them. I love
Oo.
Eddie.
Yeah, correct. I love Eddie.
I love Dom
Oo.
Tomato.
So, ayun ang ating mga hopes and wishes for Physical Asia. Mga Sarang Base, if you have your own thoughts about that, you know what to do. Comment down below kung nasaan man kayo nakikinig. And about our conversation, kung may mga thoughts din kayo about Physical Asia, sino mga biases nyo, which teams you really loved, which games you really enjoyed watching, you can also message us about that. We want to know. Okay, so that is our conversation. But because we are one to Sarang, of course, we're not gonna end an episode without a game. So, abangan nyo after the beep. Beep! And we're back after the beep. Woo! Okay, so, dito tayo sa pinaka-importanting part ng episode na to, no? Thank you for sticking around. We are here to have a little game. Yes, kasama kayo dyan, guys, mga Sarang Base, and whoever else is listening out there. So, ang game natin na to is a mix of physical and one of our great Hallyu loves, K-pop. Yes. Okay, so, tayo dito ay parang magfa-fantasy casting. Alright? For physical hype. Woohoo! Okay. So, gagawa tayo ng ating dream team for physical hype, which consists of any K-pop artist from the Hybe family. Okay, so gagawa tayo ng 6 members, and ang basis natin is Quest 3 of Physical 100, which is the Team Rep Quest. Okay, so quick rundown lang ulit sa Team Rep Quest. Meron tayong pillar vaulting, stone totem endurance, hanging endurance, and sack toss. Okay, so magka-cast tayo from the Hybe family ng 6 na athletes. Athlete naman sila kasi dancer sila, di ba? Na pwedeng
Dapat ba 4
sumali.
men and 2 women din?
No. Free for all tayo dito.
Free for all.
Any
Okay.
na lang.
Oo, hindi necessary na gano'n ang setup. Oo.
Okay.
So, mix kung mix. Ganyan. Alright, so pipili tayo ng ating athletes. Simulan natin sa pillar vaulting. Okay, ito yung zigzag hurdle. So, we need 2 people na malakabayo, ang legs, kayang tumalon.
Meron na ako naisip.
Okay, sino po siya?
Unahin na natin si Kazuha. Kasi para saan pa yung
Oh my God,
kaya
same
niyang
thoughts.
mag-high kick? 'Di ba? Parang
Correct!
gamitin natin yan. And in
Uh-huh.
the same vein, as a ballerina, kunin din natin si Joe ng N-Team, who is also a ballerino. So feeling ko silang dalawa together, hindi lang nila yun magagawa ng very good,
Oo.
graceful pa. As
Correct.
in, gagraduate sila, ganyan. Yun lang pala. Ganon.
Oo. So, I guess for our pillar vaulting, hindi lang speed ang ating titingnan, no? Kailangan pati showcase.
Grace.
Showmanship.
Oo.
So, hindi kailangan
Exactly.
mabilis. Kailangan maganda.
Oo.
Ganon.
Correct. With
Oo.
facial expression, ganon.
Exactly. Oo. So, yun ang suggestion ni Pia for pillar vaulting. Sa stone totem, ikaw ba? Meron ka ba maisa-suggest?
For big muscles, ang aking suggestion ay si Mingyu at si Namjoon.
Ay!
Sakto magkaparehas pa, matatangkad.
Correct.
Oo. Bakit di si Munak? Si Munak na lang.
Si Munak kasi. Wag na si Munak, taga-cheer na lang sa malayo. Malakas naman boses eh.
Correct. Referee siya yung nakagat.
Correct siya yung
As a
mukhang
Saja boy.
Oo.
Pwede.
Hot! Dapat nakatanggal
Oo.
ang mga shirt. Ganyan.
My God. Tapos
Okay.
pwedeng, kunyari, sama yan sa minigame. Dapat, di ba, tataas, di ba? So, kailangan tanggalin yung shirt para maabot nila yung pinaka-top,
Correct.
yung pataasan ng
Because-
talon. So, we have hanging endurance naman. Okay. Ano ba ang may sasuggest nyo sa hanging endurance? Yung magaling sumabit.
Meron ako.
Ayan,
Meron
Pia,
akong
sino?
masasuggest dyan.
Okay,
Si
sino?
Hantesan ng Boy Next Door.
Ay, oo nga,
Meron
na-prove
silang
mo
isang
na
ano.
yan.
Oo, diba? Parang mahilig siya. Meron siyang mga ring tricks, ganon.
Oo.
So, kaya din yung ginawa ni Mark Mugen, yung parang isa-psych out mo yung kalaban, psychological
Correct.
warfare.
Oo.
Aba, hindi lang ako nakahang. May tricks din ako. Ganon.
Oo, ikot-ikot
Let's go,
din siya.
Hantesan.
Tapos kakantahan ka pa niya ng My Way. Kasi showmanship din kailangan
yun
natin.
yung
Top of the
ano,
world na nga lang. Kasi
Top of
sino
the
ba yun?
Tama, top of the world. Correct.
I'm on
Oo.
the-
Di ba yung sa Turkey, yung para makakonsentrate siya, kumakanta na lang siya
Correct.
sa sarili niya.
Correct.
Ayan.
Yun. May marinig ka na lang na kumakanta ng mga Karen Carpenter, Hantesan, is that you? I just wanna
I've
throw
only
this
just
question
begun.
out. I've only just begun. Kasi kakasimula lang niya. Gusto ko lang i-throw to kasi parang sobrang set na tayo kay Hantesan, no? Pero ang dami kasi nila sa 17 eh. 'Di ba? Baka may gusto tayong kunin from them. O kunwari nakabalik na lahat from military. Sino kaya sa kanila ang pwedeng ang masasuggest ko si Hoshi. Kasi nag-spider
Actually,
na siya.
sasayaw din siya. Oo.
Yun nga spider.
Nakapaglambit-lambitin na rin yun.
Correct.
So magbato-bato
So, parang
lang
pwede
silang
silang
dalawa.
mag-showdown ni Hantesan, ganyan.
Correct. Or di ba
Buo
4 naman
talagang
yung
pangalan.
rings?
Pwede naman
Oo.
Tesan.
Ang
Or yung rings,
ang concern
tig-dalawa
ko lang
sila.
kasi kay Hoshi, madali siya ma-distract. Ay, hindi. Actually, hindi rin. If
Hindi,
nakakonsentrate
kapag
siya,
laban,
go,
oo,
go, go
lalaban.
na.
Oo,
Correct.
Okay.
Oo.
Hoshi nga, Hoshi.
Oo. Pero with that in mind, kailangan talaga hindi mo siya pwede i-distract. Hindi ka pwede
Oo.
maglagay
Oo.
ng tiger dyan sa harap niya. What?
Correct.
Correct.
Oo. Baka may gusto kayong i-pitch na ibang name? Wala na? Set na ba tayo doon?
Gusto ko i-suggest si Jonghan actually. Because he's very, very agile and
He is.
athletic.
Si
He
Jonghan?
So I think he can, I think he can jump
Ah.
in that zigzag thing.
Pero madali siyang mapagod eh.
Yun lang.
pala.
Yun
Okay,
lang.
yun na.
yung
Oo,
disadvantage.
Talo.
yun lang yung disadvantage
Pala.
nun.
Kalimutan ko yun.
Baka isang ano lang
Okay.
mga
Sa ano?
Next.
Mm-mm.
Dun sa Totem, gusto ko rin i-suggest si Hong Jisoo. Para saan pa yung laki ng braso niya? 'Di ba?
Correct.
Iniisip
Bakit
ko
malaki
nga
yung
rin,
braso
nakalista
niya?
din dito si Josh.
Oo nga.
Joshua.
Diba?
Oo, kailangan talaga si
Correct.
Joshua nakaganon.
Feeling ko may power din yun.
Oo.
Pero pwede siya
Kaya-
sa rings Sa rings ba? Oo.
Bagay din siya
Feeling ko
sa
kaya niya
rings.
rin.
Oo.
Pero feeling ko masyadong top-heavy.
Alam mo, bagay siya sa rings.
I feel
kasi-
like he's top heavy.
Kaya nga mas ano siya, baka mas okay siya sa rings kasi parang since malakas yung braso niya, di ba? Core. But at the same time, also, may tela kasi yung rings eh. Eh, di ba mahilig siyang mag-crafts? So baka ma-inspire siya sa fact na may tela dun for his future work. So we
Tama
have one
naman.
last, which is Saktos. Okay, so I want to hear
Yung
what
pwede
your
din
pitches
palang
are.
sumabit ay si Kim...
Ay.
Ba't di ko maalala mga pangalan? Yung isa pang pwedeng sumabit, sino pa ba kung si Jung Jungkook? Di ba yung mga run BTS dati, lagi siyang
Oo
nakasabit sa kung saan-saan.
Correct.
Bakit natin siya nakakanyon?
Pero sa Saktos ko siya iniisip eh.
Iniisip ko rin siya doon. Actually,
Bakit siya sa
parang feeling
Saktos?
ko sa Saktos siya. Endurance.
Strength.
Endurance.
Oo, strength, endurance,
Actually.
And my other suggestion is actually DK for baseball.
Not Saktos.
Kasi
Not
yung tatay
Saktos.
niya nandun eh.
So, kailangan
My God,
kaya
imagine ko siya pang nagsasakto siya. Yung parating may
Correct,
kasamang
yun
sound
ang
effects.
Yung titili-tili siya.
Oo,
ganon.
titili-tili siya. Tapos kunyari,
Ayun
pagtatama
mo
dun
nun,
sa ano,
tactic
mahulog sa
yan. Tactic yan para ma-distract yung kalaban.
Correct. Alam mo, with that in mind, dahil
Para ma-distract si Changbin ng JYP kasi siya yung representative ng JYP.
Ng
ng JYP.
O, ba't hindi na lang si Subin kung mang-distract lang naman pala? Parang feeling ko manggugulo talaga. Or si Bomgyu pala.
O, si Bomgyu.
Dapat si Bomgyu.
Dapat si
Kung kailangan ng
Bomgyu.
distraction,
Oo.
maybe
Kasi
Bomgyu.
pag
Hindi
si
niya
Subin,
mabubuhat
si Subin
yung
walang arm
Saktos,
strength si
yung
Subin,
Sako.
te.
Yun nga, wala eh. Wala siyang
Wala.
strength in
Wala siyang
general.
strength. Oo. Pwede
Period.
siyang tumayo doon as a pole. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Oo.
Siya na
Siya na lang yung ano. Sino pa isang matangkad na mahina sa kanila?
Si Martin. Si Martin. Bakit pa tayo lumalayo? Tingnan natin yung Cortis. Yun literal na para matangkad talaga.
Si Martin tsaka si Subin, magkatabi silang ganyan, tapos nakaganon sila. Sila na yung poste. Kung saan ibabato yung sako.
Tapos nakaganon lang sila.
Nakaganon lang sila.
Sabi sa football. Yung pag naglalaro ka ng football lang sa kalsada. or sa
Correct. Nakaganon
Dalawang
na.
nakaganito. So silang dalawa yon.
Perfect. So yun. So ang galing no, meron tayong representatives sa team rep, meron din tayong representatives sa set. Galing. Buti lang malaki yung hive. Dami lang artists.
Oo.
Okay. Okay, so I guess we've created more or less, the people that we will, bring into physical K-pop. Physical K-pop, physical hype. So, ayan. So, once again, pillar vaulting. Marami na pa tayong suggest. Ayoko na sabihin lahat. Madami pala yun. Pero yon, okay, so mga sarang base, narinig nyo yung mga suggestions namin. Baka meron din kayong gustong isuggest sa amin nang maisulat namin sa isang email at mapadala sa Hive.
Kahit hindi na natin padadala para sa next day caterers.
Oo nga, yung caterers physical Asia version.
Oo, physical
Perfect.
hype.
I love it so much. Okay. And I hope you guys loved it too. And this has been so much fun. Okay? Itong episode natin on Physical Asia has been so much fun. And I hope you guys share this episode with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And see you on our next episode. Thank you guys so much for listening to us. You're the best. Kumawo, Chegoya, and Sarang Hey!
Sarang hey!
Thanks for listening!
Bye guys! See you next time! Nakakatawa siguro pagkasama ni Desan sa ring si Taeyong BTS. Tapos pareho silang kumakanta ng luma. Habang nakabitin.
Ganun.
Yung nila, yung palumaan ng kantang alam. Ganun
Oo.
yung labanan nilang dalawa.
Ay, hindi.
Na mas
Hantesa na panalo
concentrated.
dyan.
Kaysa kay Taeyong. You think so?
Si Taeyong medyo nagiging modern na siya eh. Predictable.
So, ano ibig sabihin si Tessan lumang tao?
Paluma ng paluma si
Nag-time
Tessan.
travel din ba siya? Kakilala ba niya si Egg Orchid?
Oo, parehas sila ng sinakyan.
Galing din siyang
From that
ice.
era. Oo.